Hey friends, it's Megan. Welcome to my small but mighty backyard garden. Today I will be planting a few different tomato varieties. As you can see, this guy is getting super root bound and needs to either be potted up or moved outside. The problem is my temperatures still look like this. Tomatoes hate the cold. If you get soil temps below 50 degrees, you run a good chance of stunting your plant, so it really slows down the growth. And if things get really cold, you could severely damage or even kill your vegetable plant. So I am going to be using walls of water. Basically how these work is it has these tubes that you fill with water. The sun warms those during the day, and at night it keeps your plant nice and warm. Basically, it's like a mini greenhouse for each of your individual plants. I will be using these red walls of water. These were sent to me by the brand so I could demo them for you guys. These are particularly nice because they are made of a thicker plastic, so they're tear and puncture resistant. I should be able to use these for multiple years, and they're a great size. These are actually 14 inches in diameter once they're all filled up. So with that, let's get started. When planting tomatoes, make sure you dig the hole nice and deep. Tomatoes actually grow roots along their stem, so planting them deeper helps create a stronger plant. Set your tomato in the hole, backfill with soil, and gently press it down. Then give it a good drink of water to help it settle in. Okay, big tip here. I like to use a 5-gallon bucket to protect my plant from accidentally getting crushed while filling up your wall of water. Just center it over your plant for a little extra support. Set your wall of water around your bucket and start filling each of those little pockets with water. Once each of those little pockets is full, we can slide the bucket out and it creates this little teepee that traps heat and protects your plant from wind and frost. So if you are nervous about planting early, these are a total game changer. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. I'm a small channel and literally every subscribe makes my day. So I appreciate you guys. Have fun in your gardens.